In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up your Ring doorbell so that it works with your Echo Show. Once set up, the Echo Show will automatically alert you when someone's at the front door, and even show you a live video feed. You can even take this one step further and use your Echo to talk to the person at the front door. I'm using the second generation Echo Show 8, but it will work with any model of the Echo Show. Setting up your Ring doorbell so it works with your Echo is really simple. The first thing you need to do is open the Alexa app on your phone or tablet. This will work with iPhone and Android. You should then press More, followed by Skills and Games. Press the magnifying glass on the top right hand corner of the screen and search for Ring. Select the Ring skill and press Enable to use. You can then choose to enable the skill and link Ring to your Amazon account, or to just enable the skill. Log in to your Ring account. You will then be asked to authorise a sign in. You will now see that a Ring account has been successfully linked. You will then need to search for your devices, so just press Discover Devices. After a short while, your doorbell should be discovered. Press Set Up Device to set it up. The app will ask you where it is. I'm going to skip this for now. You'll now see a message saying the doorbell is set up and ready to use. You should now be on the Devices screen. From here, scroll to Cameras and select your Ring doorbell. Mine's called Front Door, so I'll select that. You should then see a live feed of your front door. You now need to go to the device settings, so press the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. If you want to be alerted when someone is at the front door, you must make sure that the doorbell press announcements toggle is on. I keep motion announcements off as it's really annoying having the Echo alert you every time someone's near the front door. Before you close the app, go to Announcement Devices and make sure you select any devices you want to make a sound when someone presses the front door. I'm going to select my Echo Dot, my Echo, my Show 5, my Show 8 and my Echo Show. One last task before closing the app is selecting the sound you want to hear when someone presses the doorbell. I leave mine on default. There are multiple options to choose from, including some seasonal sounds. Now that the accounts are linked, the Echo will automatically let you know when someone is at the front door. You can also view the video feed by scrolling from the right hand side of the screen, going to Smart Home and selecting your door. You can talk to the person by pressing the microphone button, or by saying the wait command, followed by talk to the front door. Computer, talk to the front door.
Okay.
This is what it looks and sounds like when someone's talking to your Ring doorbell. You can also pinch to zoom in and out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.